Hi everyone, this is Nick from the Property Runway. Today we're going to show you a high floor 4-room HDB unit that is right here in the city centre. Completed in the year 2013, this unit is actually less than 10 years old. Located along Havelock Road, this unit at Havelock View is a mere 6 minutes fully sheltered walk away from Tiong Bahru MRT, which takes you to Raffles Place in just 3 stops. You will also be within 10 minutes walk away from the upcoming Havelock MRT, which takes you to Orchard MRT in 2 stops and Great World City in just 1. Clinic, dental clinic, coffee shop, hawker centre and a wet market, 6 supermarkets, eateries, restaurants, cafes, Tiong Bahru Plaza, all within walking distance. There's no beating the convenience you get in this area, so now let's head up to the unit. Fully renovated just 4 years ago with premium finishes, the owner has kept this place in a superb condition. The total amount of reno cost they have put into the unit is close to $100,000. So heading into the unit, the owners have placed a row of counter space starting with shoe cabinets, display cabinets on top and extra storage space at the bottom, and even a space for your own wine chiller. This is going to be a great area for you to prepare your food when you have your guests over. The kitchen has been split into a wet and dry kitchen area that is separated with this sliding door so that you don't have to worry about the fumes when doing your heavy cooking. The service yard has also been separated from the kitchen area, and a countertop space is built right above your washing machine with an additional wash basin right here for all your laundry needs. The dining space comfortably holds a 4-seater dining set with more space to spare. Our owners have chosen to use an L-shaped 3-seater lounge sofa set, but if you are actually wanting to open up the space more, you can actually go with a regular 3-seater sofa. Downlights and air conditioning has already been installed for the whole living and dining area. All the toilets have been fully renovated as well, with wall and floor tiles completely redone. The common bedroom is now being used as a study room by our owners, but the space itself is definitely enough for a queen-size bed with an additional 2 panels of wardrobe space right at the side right here. The jewel of the house has to be the master bedroom, so heading in, our owners have actually created this enormous master bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe space by combining the second bedroom with this master bedroom. But before I show you the space, I would definitely want you to take a look at the view that you're going to have every single day when you wake up. So heading into this space itself, this is a space where I'm definitely sure your lady is going to love. Look at the amount of space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 panels of wardrobe space and also additional storage at the back right here. So this is where I'm definitely sure that your lady is going to call it their paradise. If you would like to call this exquisite home your very own, contact the Property Runway today for your exclusive viewing.